Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back. Today I've got something exciting for you. The best free VPNs for 2025. These VPNs are fast, offer unlimited access, and are absolutely free. Now, usually, free VPNs come with a bunch of limitations and privacy concerns, but I've sifted through the noise to find the gems. Let's dive into it. First up, we have ProtonVPN. This VPN stands out because it doesn't have any bandwidth limitations, which is rare for a free service. The downside, you're limited to just 3 locations, and the speed is a bit reduced. But hey, no data caps and solid security features like a kill switch and split tunneling. Next, we have TunnelBear. TunnelBear offers more locations compared to ProtonVPN, but it only provides 3 GB of bandwidth per month. So if you're a light user, this could be a good pick. Plus, who can resist those cute bear animations? Just remember, you'll need to upgrade if you want more data. Lastly, there's Atlas VPN. I couldn't resist mentioning this one because it's a top choice for torrenting. You get 5 GB of bandwidth each month, which can be quite handy. However, like the others, you'll need to upgrade for unlimited access. But hey, for a free VPN, it's pretty solid. Now if you're thinking, these limitations aren't for me, then let's talk premium options. ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and Surfshark. These are my top 3 picks, and here's why. ExpressVPN is your go-to for the best overall performance. With over 3,000 servers in 105 countries, it's blazing fast and super reliable. Plus, they have a verified no-logs policy, so your data is never tracked. You can connect up to 8 devices simultaneously, and it's compatible with most gadgets. If you want the best of the best, ExpressVPN is it. Next, NordVPN. This is where value meets performance. With over 5,800 servers in 60 countries, it's almost as fast as ExpressVPN and offers some neat features like threat protection to block ads and malware. Plus, you can secure up to 6 devices per subscription. If you're looking for bang for your buck, NordVPN is your best bet. Finally, Surfshark. If you're on a budget but still want all the essential features, Surfshark is perfect. It's got over 3,200 servers in 100 countries and allows unlimited device connections. You also get bonus features like an ad blocker and rotating IPs. It's a steal for what you're paying. So there you go. Whether you want a free VPN with minimal limitations or a premium service packed with features, there's something here for everyone. If you're interested in any of these VPNs, check the links in the description for pricing, discounts, and full reviews. And as always, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on all things VPN and cybersecurity. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.